Greetings, Dennis Daniels here.
Exponents and the quotient rules continued. And we'll take a simple problem like 15x y to the 7th over 5 x to the 3rd n to the 2nd. I'm sorry, y to the 2nd. So it's straightforward division at first, 3. And we have an imaginary 1 here, so we see that the x is going to stay below because it's less than the denominator is greater than the numerator. So we're going to keep the denominator down there, x to the 2nd. y7 minus 2 is 5, so y to the 5th stays up there. So anytime your denominator is greater than your numerator in dealing with exponents, the denominator, the value stays in the denominator. That's the solution.
The remaining value stays in the denominator. If there is a remainder, then it stays in the denominator, and Wolfram Alpha backs us up on that as well. Here's the equation. That's how you write it in computer talk, at least for Wolfram Alpha. And this is what you get, which is essentially the same thing we just showed. Now take a look at the pretty pictures. Look at that contour plot. Is that cool? This produces that. And it's part of the reason why math is the root of many of the graphic arts. If you're familiar with Adobe Illustrator or any of your vector programs, it's using very similar math to this to create images like that. Here's some more, the 3D plot. That could be a topographic map of the Grand Canyon. Here's the roots, the derivatives, and indefinite integrals, etc. Pretty cool though, huh? Just don't be afraid to play with math. You'll be surprised at all the cool things that are just waiting behind those numbers.